The tickets are gone! What do we do?
Stay calm. Let's look in every bag. Only snacks and water. No tickets.
It's not in my bag. It's not in my pocket.
Did we lose them, Daddy?
Look. A help desk. Let's ask for help.
What is a help desk?
A place where kind people help you.
Excuse me. We lost our tickets.
We knocked him. What is your family's last name?
We are the Parlotis family.
I don't see them here. Oh no. The game starts soon.
Wait! Pack. What? Dane, my backpack! I put something in here this morning. The tickets! They were in my backpack!
Liam, you saved the day.
You are our little hero.
Wonderful. Hurry, the gate is this way.
Let's go! Let's go!
Welcome. Enjoy the match.
Wow! Look at the field!
So many people. Listen to them singing.
Here. These are our seats.
The players. Yellow and blue.
It's kickoff. The game begins.
Go, yellow team!
The game has started. Anything can happen now.
The big match is starting. Who will score the first goal? Find out in the next episode.